Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem is that Snapchat not showing your chats. So simply make sure some settings to fix that issue. Simply go back to your settings of your phone just like that, and you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection, also make sure that VPN is not connected. After that, simply go back and just find a Snapchat from a setting just like that. Just go search bar and just search a snap just like that, and simply go to Snapchat. Scroll down and just go to storage, just tap on storage and just clear the cache from here. You have to make sure there are settings to before you go to Snapchat. Just simply go back and just go to permission, just have permission, and you have to permission all of that. Just go back and just simply go to your Snapchat and just simply go to settings of your Snapchat. Just tap on settings and just scroll down and just find a cache. Just clear the cache from here. After that, just simply go to chats you want to show. If your chat is not showing on your person, just like that and click that person, and if your chat is not showing just like that, make sure that this person not block you and you didn't block him. So you have to make sure that before sending any chats. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.